Computer characteristics. Computer is an electronic device which is used to store data as per given instructions. Data cannot be retrieved without instructions. So in here, we have explained before that data uh, is raw material of information, is part of information. Information is not raw data, but data is a part of information which is not yet been edited or which is not been processed. If you input anything into your computer and it is processed, then outputs by the computer, it's what we call information. Input, process, output is what we call information. But just something like text, you have just typed text, that is just a data. So a computer is an electronic device which is used to store data as per given instruction, or is an electronic device which transfer data. Transfer means modem modulates and demodulates. Well, let's look into the aspect of information. Information, information is a proper collected data, or data that is well processed. It's what we call information. Then let's look into characteristics of a computer. One, speed. A computer is characterized with a high speed. No human can compete to solve a complex computation faster than a computer. So we believe that what makes a computer, one, the computer system has to be with the speed. It has to be with the speed. Calculating things should not be just done by slowlessness, but it has to be with the speed. Another item is versatile. We can use computers to perform complete different tasks of work at the same time. Versatility is multitasking, doing different types of work or items. Power of remembering. It can remember data. Uh, it has ability to store and retrieve or remember what you had entered. Then let's look on no feeling. Computer does not have emotion. That yesterday you ignored me, then today I will not feed you with what you need. So no feeling. A computer system has to be with no feeling. You may look at artificial intelligence and you may call it feeling, but these are, they can respond to request. It's what we call artificial intelligence, when a computer can respond to request. For instance, if you are detached, you have entered the name into a computer system, it means that name is already there. When you try to include the same name, it will try to pull out something that may look a little bit the same, which is, one may call it artificial intelligence, or it can differentiate between the many. For instance, your fingerprint. Among the many people who can touch your phone, the only person who has that same identical print will be the only person to open the phone or your computer, for instance, into password format. So those are what we call artificial intelligence. So those are the items one may as well look at while trying to analyze computer characteristics. So we have looked at power of remembering. We have looked at no IQ. It has no, computer does not work without instruction. Okay, it cannot, it does not have IQ like you. Like you can pass by crossroads and you think that I'm going to this other direction. A computer does not have the IQ. It works with instruction. It cannot work alone. It has to be fed with instructions so that it can work. We have looked at it, that it has no feeling, as we have all seen. We have looked at artificial intelligence and other items. So those are some of the characteristics of computers. Briefly, that is it.